are watching FaheemShaheen English Practice. Hello, welcome to my new video. I can understand English, but I can't speak. Many learners watch English movies, listen to conversations, and even read books or messages, and you understand most of it. But when it's time to speak, your mind freezes. You forget the words or your mouth does not work the way you want it to. This is completely normal. So let's break down how to go from understanding English to speaking it fluently step by step. Step 1. Common phrases. As a beginner, don't start with complex grammar. Start with real phrases that people use in everyday conversation. Common phrases. Good morning. How are you today? I am fine. Thank you. And you? Can I help you? I don't understand. Please say that again. Excuse me. Practice tip. Choose 5 phrases per day. Say them out loud in the mirror. Repeat each phrase 10 minutes and try to use it in your daily life. Step 2. Pronunciation. One of the biggest reasons in learners don't speak is because they feel their pronunciation is wrong. That's okay. Pronunciation is a skill you can learn like another. Pronunciation. Comfortable, comfortable. February, February. Chocolate, chocolate. Probably, probably. Schedule, schedule. Practice tip. Choose 5 difficult words, listen to their pronunciation, and repeat that 10 minutes. Record your voice and compare. Step 3. Use expressions to sound natural. Textbook English is different from real life English. Learning natural expressions will help you speak confidently and sound more. When even if you are saying just a few words, everyday expressions that make sense sounds good. Let me think, I'm not sure, but I shall try. No worries, it's up to you. Practice tip. Learn 3 expressions per day and try to use them in different situations. Speak them out loud like you are in a real conversation. Step 4. Speak every day. Many learners wait for a speaking partner, but the truth is, you can start speaking English alone and make a huge progress. Speak every day. Now I'm making tea. The water is boiling. I have to go to the market after lunch. What should I wear today? I'm getting ready for the day. Practice tip. The more you speak, the more fluent you become. Your brain will start to think in English. Don't worry about being perfect. Just keep going. Step 5. Use listening to improve speaking. You already understand English. Now use listening as a tool to learn speaking. Use listening to improve speaking. Listen to one English sentence. Pause the video. Repeat this sentence exactly with the same tone and speed. Do it again until it feels easy. You can use English videos, British Council listening practice. Practice tip. This trains your mouth to move like a native speaker. And helps build confidence fast. Step 6. Be brave. Many learners stay silent because they are afraid. Make mistakes, but the only way to get better just to make mistakes. Learn and improve. Be brave. You don't need perfect grammar to speak. Native speakers make mistakes too. Your goal is to communicate, not to be perfect. Celebrate your small wins every sentence you speak. Every word you try to progress. Fluent speaking does not start with perfect grammar. It starts with your first brave sentence. Thank you for watching this video.